In the heart of Enchantia, a land where magic resonated in every whispering breeze, lived a tiny fairy named Twinkle. With wings as delicate as gossamer and a sprinkle of stardust adorning her golden hair, Twinkle was the tiniest resident of the Whispering Glade. Despite her diminutive size, Twinkle possessed the largest heart in all of Enchantia. Every night, as the moon ascended its celestial throne, she embarked on a magical journey, fluttering from petal to petal, ensuring that each flower received its nightly embrace of moonlight. The flowers, in turn, responded with a kaleidoscope of colors that painted the glade in a mesmerizing glow, a living canvas of nature's own creation. One day, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting hues of lavender and gold across the land, a mischievous breeze swept through the glade. In its playful dance, it snatched Twinkle's most prized possession, a shimmering crystal that held the laughter of 1,000 wind chimes. The crystal, a gift from the ancient willow at the heart of the Whispering Glade, embodied the very essence of enchantment. Determined to retrieve her cherished possession, Twinkle set forth on an adventure that would take her beyond the familiar bounds of the glade. Her wings carried her through dew-kissed meadows, beneath towering mushrooms, and over babbling brooks. Along her journey, she encountered a host of woodland creatures, all enchanted by her kindness. A wise old owl guided her with hoots of ancient wisdom, and a friendly rabbit led her through hidden trails, whispering secrets of the forest. Her quest brought her to the mystical enchanted grove, where luminescent toadstools glowed like celestial lanterns. Atop one such toadstool sat the mischievous sprite, the self-proclaimed guardian of the stolen crystal. The sprite, unwilling to part with its newfound treasure, challenged Twinkle to a contest of wits. Undeterred, Twinkle accepted the challenge. The glade echoed with laughter as riddles danced through the air, like leaves in a playful breeze. Each riddle met with a clever retort from Twinkle, her wit shining as brightly as the stolen crystal. In the end, the sprite, unable to match Twinkle's cleverness, relinquished the crystal. With her cherished possession safely cradled in her tiny hands, Twinkle returned to the Whispering Glade. The flowers, sensing her triumph, burst into a melody of joy, a harmonious symphony that echoed through the enchanted glade. In gratitude for Twinkle's bravery and kindness, the glade bestowed upon her a special gift, a halo of starlight that encircled her tiny form, making her glow even brighter. From that day forth, Twinkle's nightly adventures became legendary in Enchantia. She became a symbol of courage and kindness, teaching all who crossed her path that even the tiniest beings could spark the brightest magic. And so, in the heart of Enchantia, the Whispering Glade twinkled with the light of a little fairy whose courage and kindness had woven a tapestry of enchantment throughout the magical land, a testament to the extraordinary magic that could be found in the smallest of beings.